Please welcome Governor Martin O'Malley.
The work of justice is urgent, it is real, and it is needed. Let there be no comfort in our country for the bigotry of cold indifference, for there are still too many lives in America taken from us by violence. Still too many children in America who go to bed hungry, who go to school hungry. Still too much apathy when the lives of people of color are too often valued less than the lives of white people. And so the responsibility we consecrate today is not rooted in nostalgia or memory. It is rooted in something far deeper. It is rooted in the calling of conscience to action. Actions that protect every individual's right to vote. Action that safeguards and keeps guns out of the hands of violent offenders. Action that makes quality education and the opportunity of college a reality for more families. Action that protects the dignity of every child's home with civil marriage equality. Action that strengthens our country with the hopes and dreams and hard work of our newest generation of new American immigrants. Action that abolishes the death penalty and improves public safety in every neighborhood, regardless of income or color. Action that creates jobs and raises the minimum wage for every mom and dad that's willing to work hard and play by the rules. Yes, thanks to Dr. King, America's best days are still ahead of us. Love remains the strongest power in our country. Forward we shall walk hand in hand, and in this great work we are not afraid. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Grammy nominated and 5